Susie. Today we are going to be doing glue, and my mom put tape because I wanted that, and we have to put glue on here. As you can see, there's glue. Now we're gonna put glitter, and after you're done, you have to put the paintbrush in here. This is the tape that my mom used. We are going to do glue first because the glitter, it can't go stick on, and the glitter will fall off, and then we'll have to paint. So that's why we're starting off with glue. And now what we need to do is smear it. Oh yeah, we forgot one more spot. I forgot. Now we are going to be doing pink. Okay, now we're going to do this one because this is the safest. Okay, we'll do that then. So soft. Except it's glitter. We use orange, this beautiful orange. See? And make sure you don't get too much, or else that's better. Like everybody needs to do this. This part, please. Let's leave it. Now we're going to do this beautiful purple, as you can see. And you can see it has glitter. It's glitter, and it has sparkles in it. So we are going to put a little more glue. Now we are going to use this beautiful yellow. You might want to ask your parents to do it for you, but nah, I'm 5, but I'm still doing it. And we're going to use this beautiful color blue. That's dark. Is it? Oh yeah, it's so sticky. That's better. Okay, still sticky. Okay, now what color are we going to use? We are going to be using the yellow again, because yeah, why not? Still sticky. So now we are going to use the orange, because we didn't use 2 oranges. We're going to do 2 all the same color. Yeah. Because why not? If you want to look very nice, like everybody's so nice, like yeah. Okay. Make sure you ask your mom or your dad, because it looks so hard, but really it isn't. It's just you have to use glue. That's the problem. If you don't use glue, it's not going to be perfect, but you could do whatever you want. So okay. Now we're going to take off the tape. I'm working on my second project. safe in the middle of the thing. Careful. Now we are going to be doing the next line of stairs. Now we're going to be spreading it. Oh yeah. We need a little more. That looks much better. Gold. Now, this beautiful gold, as you can see, wait, try. Hold me. That looks much more prettier. Now we are going to be doing one of these. I don't know. Should you put it in there? Nah, let's see for you. It looks so cool when you take it out. Okay, we're gonna do that color and red. We are also going to be right in the middle. We're gonna add some more red. That's better. Now it's time to let it dry. Don't say no and then. How dare you say that? Okay. Done this, do you like it? Or the other one? Which one did you like more? That one or this one? Anyways, I hope you like this video and we'll see y'all next time. Good.